Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making some whole wheat banana pancake. Really easy, simple, quick, and I assure you, you will love this. The good thing about this pancake is that if your bananas are really ripe, you actually don't have to introduce any sweetener. But even if you have to, just about a tablespoon should be fine for this recipe. Come with me as you make this. I know if you try this, it will be a staple in your home because both kids and adults love this. Thank you. So for our simple banana pancakes, we'll be needing some overripe bananas. As you can see, I usually prefer them to be overripe because it brings out more of the banana flavor. And then you can tend to use little or no sweetener. If they are not so sweet, I usually add about a tablespoon of honey. We need some milk, sieved whole wheat flour, a little bit of water, salt, melted butter or any vegetable oil will work. We need an egg, and last but not the least, we need some baking soda. So the first thing we will do is to peel and smash our bananas. I'm just going to peel that up. So we've got our bananas all peeled, and because it's really soft, they are easy to mash. I'll just use my whisk to break them up. Another tool that works very well with this is your fork. Your fork is also a great tool when it comes to mashing your bananas. So I'm just going to give it a quick whisk now. You can see how easy that is. A quick whisk breaks it up as well. So that's exactly how we like it to be. That's the consistency we are looking for. So we'll be adding our other ingredients, our liquid ingredients. The first thing that goes in is your egg. The egg goes in. Then I'm going to beat that up. The milk goes in. Water, butter, melted butter, and then I'm going to give everything a quick whisk. So our liquid ingredients are ready, and I'm going to set this aside. Then I'll start combining the dry ingredients. So for our dry ingredients, I'm using another bowl. I'll be adding the flour to the empty bowl. Baking soda goes in, and then the salt goes in. So I'll give this a quick mix, and now I'll be returning our wet ingredients. I'll be transferring the dry ingredients to the wet. So I'll start with about half of the mixture, and then the other half goes in. So that's what it looks like by the time you're done mixing. It shouldn't be a very loose batter, but it should be loose enough for you to pour. I've been heating up my griddle for some time now. I'll be using ghee to cook this. You can use whatsoever vegetable oil works for you. So we'll be heading for the stove now to start cooking. I like to smoothen out as I pour to make a circle that is not so thick. So that's what it looks like by the time you pour it. You let it develop a few bubbles on top. As you can see, the bubbles are beginning to develop. Then I'm going to give it a flip and start cooking on the reverse side. So I'll just be giving this a quick flip. So that's what it looks like at the base. So I'll be taking it off the griddle and I'll continue cooking. I'll come back and show you how I serve my pancakes once I'm done cooking them. So that's how I would usually love to have my pancakes, with just a cup of tea. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on it. You can add on whatsoever toppings you want, like some maple syrup, or you can also top it up with whatsoever toppings you love. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on it. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. by hitting on the subscribe button. Thank you.